Hi friends, this video shows how to replace the wrist strap of MetaQuest 3 controllers. So I will show you how to uh, remove this wrist strap and place a new one. Okay, so first we have to find the battery cover. This is a battery cover of this controller. MetaQuest has provided a button to release the battery cover. We can press this button and remove the battery cover. Let me press. See, now we can take off this battery cover. So let me check the bottom. Now we can easily take off this strap. See, then if you have a new strap, you can insert it like this. So this way we can take off and on wrist strap. We can easily replace it. Let me close this cover. Just place the cover like this, then push. So we'll hear tick sound. Done. So this way we can replace the wrist strap of MetaQuest 2 controller. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.